A listing can stay active, while weak copy or policy warnings reduce discoverability. Listing health creates a controlled audit, optimization, and approval workflow. Live ASIN reads one seller SKU in one marketplace, keeping the audit tied to the exact offer, instead of mixing variants or countries. The score combines structure, Amazon issues, and keyword coverage. Health status tells you whether to improve copy, resolve a blocker, or wait. Current and optimized compare every field side by side. The highlighted difference shows exactly what would change. The proposal remains a draft. Competitive keywords builds an approved bank from selected competitor ASINs. You decide which terms belong in title, bullets, backend, or the avoid list. Reverse ASIN researches one external product independently. It reveals search terms, volume, trend, and rank depth without changing the active listing. Need rework prioritizes listings with weak scores, open issues, or incomplete content. It tells you where to start, not what to auto-publish. Keyword Finder expands a marketplace-specific seed into related demand signals. Review relevance before adding any discovered term to the approved keyword bank. Copilot reads the live listing and issues, then prepares a plan and exact before and after difference. It can propose changes, but never approve them. Compliance and health separates editable fields from Amazon-controlled attributes. Readiness shows whether publication is safe and which restrictions still need attention. What Amazon reported preserves each issue code and description. Resolve verified catalog facts first. SellerEngine never invents ingredients, claims, or missing attributes. Dry run validates selected fields with Amazon without changing the live catalog, catching rejected fields before publication. After validation, SellerEngine shows a second warning with the exact SKU and conditions. Nothing is sent until the seller chooses publish. A successful submission means Amazon accepted the request, not that the storefront has updated. Allow propagation, then read the SKU again to verify. The controlled loop is read, diagnose, research, optimize, validate, approve, and verify. Start your free trial at SellerEngine.app.